you for watching Lango News channel.
Madam making so that in time you lose me put a yellow which looking at me the men one alone. You have to try no doubt the mother to the general because man having the resources and the government. Someone would like your legal heading can. Because no time on put up in the powers and authorities of course. You are a better man, you are a better thing as well. American signature show Balo, Timo or Raw. I told me all can show you Balo Cocha and have Balo LC1. Next senior quarters can I engineer Odongo Okune.
Ministry of Gender cautioned against recognizing engineer Dr. Michael Odongo Okune as Lao Paramount Chief. Yosam Odur Ebii's lawyer threatened to sue Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development for appropriating government resources to Odongo Okune. Thank you for watching Lao News channel. I am Dennis Songora. Now the details. Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development has been cautioned against recognizing Dr. Engineer Moses Michael Odongo Okune as the Lao Paramount Chief. The Lao Cultural Foundation's lawyer Emmanuel Egaru in a letter dated July 25th addressed to the Ministry of Gender through Egaru and company advocates, asserted that Mzee Yosam Odur Ebii remains a legitimate Lao Paramount Chief. He backed this position with legal arguments and reference to ongoing court proceedings. Egaru explained that although Dr. Odongo Okune appealed the High Court ruling in the Lao leadership dispute and sought to stay its execution, the court has not yet concluded the matter. He emphasized that the court only issued a stay of execution, maintaining the status quo, which means Odur Ebii remains the rightful cultural leader until the appeal is resolved. Egaru warned the ministry against aligning itself with Dr. Odongo Okune or granting him recognition and financial privileges, describing such actions as tantamount to contempt of court. He further threatened legal action against the ministry if it fails to act in accordance with the current legal standing. However, Dr. Odongo Okune's spokesperson and one of his lawyers, Okwi Patrick, argued that the stay of execution allows his client to continue operating and engaging with the Ministry of Gender. Dr. Odongo Okune recently received a Land Cruiser and a pickup truck donated by the government and will be officially received by the clan leaders on the 1st of August at Lao Cultural Center in Lira City. When Odur Ebii abdicated the office of Wonnyaci and announced the election of his successor, he was also given Pajero Mitsubishi by the president. However, he changed his mind and continued to work as the Lango Paramount Chief. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good time.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.